Glorify your bathroom with the Scudo Spa Rimless Open Back Pan. This rimless close-coupled toilet combines style and functionality to bring you a truly premium experience. The rimless design makes cleaning a breeze and ensures an efficient flush action for maximum hygiene. Say goodbye to wasted water and high bills with the dual push-button flush feature. You can choose between a full flush or a half flush, saving water without compromising on performance. Cleaning is made easy with the glazed ceramic surface, preventing dirt and grime from sticking. With a pan height of 410 mm and soft close seat, it offers optimum comfort for users of all sizes. The Scudo Spa Rimless Open Back Pan includes everything you need for easy installation, including a fixing kit. Upgrade your bathroom today with the Scudo Spa Rimless Open Back Pan. Experience superior cleanliness, water-saving efficiency, and contemporary design all in one package. Discover this and the rest of the Scudo bathroom suites range at bellabathrooms.co.uk.